No! It's what happens, I guess. This is film life. Where mistakes and problems and issues, but it's all fun and games. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the third video. Should I say third video? Help me. Today I'm kind of doing a 2-in-1 kind of deal with this huge monstera right here in my living room. First I'm going to give it a little bit of a leaf shine, and I'm going to use this, which I've never used before, Miracle-Gro leaf shine. Picked it up at Home Depot. I'm going to see what it's about. I have an old sock that I'm going to turn inside out, and I'm going to buff these leaves with this shine, and hopefully they'll shine. So I'm going to do that. And then my friend is wanting a really nice plant in his apartment. He has 0 plants. I am going to introduce him to a cutting of this big mama monstera, and I'm gonna put it in water for him, and he's gonna see it grow roots, and he's gonna be amazed, and then he's gonna be addicted to plants, and he's gonna want more, and I'm gonna help him. So let's get started. Put on your handy dandy sack. And I don't know, I hope this doesn't bleach to the couch or anything. Leaf shine, here we go. Get the spray. I wanna give him some really nice, and I'm realizing right now that I'm right-handed, so the sock is on the wrong hand. I was wondering why that wasn't happening naturally. I'm kind of aggressive, so sometimes I really rip the leaves because I'm too aggressive. I want to get a dirty leaf. Look at this dirt, bird poop, this rag. Get that bird poop off. Oh, came off easily. Shining your leaves will help them photosynthesize. They will do a better job with photosynthesis and absorbing the energy into their leaves because now they are clean. When I bought this monstera, I bought it big like this. I've only had it for about a month or so, and my idea when I got it was to cut it and cut pieces because it's a little bit too big for my living room. And I was planning on chopping it up and giving some plant cuttings to my friends. So this is the first cutting. I'm excited about it. I'm excited to explain it to you. I'm excited to do it with you. Here we go. I inspected this situation in here because it's pretty wild. And I decided I'm gonna cut this piece right here, and I'm gonna cut this piece right here. These guys hanging are called aerial roots. And these right here are nodes. This is the area that I'm gonna wanna cut right below the node. And I'm gonna put these babies in water, and they're gonna grow roots, and it's gonna be awesome. All right, here we go. Are you ready? So you wanna cut below the node. So I'm gonna cut right here. I'm gonna try to catch it. There we go. That is exciting stuff. Look at that. It's really exciting. Oh. This is going to my friend. It's gonna bring such life into his apartment. Even just this one piece. Like this one piece is gonna change the atmosphere of his apartment. Like I just know it is. So I'm gonna put this down on the floor for right now. Gently. And then I'm gonna go in for the other one. So, are you ready? Are you ready? You wanna cut below the node. So this is the node, and I'm gonna cut below it. Oh, there we go. Oh, I didn't make a nice clean cut. It's okay, it'll survive. Okay, there we go. So, oh, I feel like I'm like in Monstera land right now. Here it is. Here's this piece. It's so beautiful. So now he can literally have 2 plants in his apartment. He can put this in his living room, and he can put this piece in his bedroom, wherever he wants, but I'm probably gonna tell him where to put it because it's all part of plant designing and I love it. Lovely. It's a pretty good gift. Another thing that I love about plants is they're literally the gift that keeps on giving if you take care of them. You can gift them to your friends, your family, you can make more plants for your home, and it's just so fun, and it's been such a creative outlet for me, and I love it. So here we go, I'm gonna put this in water now. In order to fit this plant cutting into this vase of water to grow its roots, I'm gonna cut this aerial root off because it's just annoying me. And it's gonna be fine, trust me. This thing is gonna grow massive roots and it's gonna do good things. So put her in, there we go. You wanna give it a little room at the bottom to pull in the water. And you don't wanna just like smash it down because the bottom part is what needs to draw in the water, and it needs room to do that at the bottom, so this is good enough. There you go, how beautiful. It's its own piece. This is absolutely stunning. You can put it on a dresser, you could put it on the floor, you could put it in a windowsill, it could be anywhere, and it's just a magnificent green piece. Here is the second piece. It's the bigger piece of the two of the Monstera Deliciosa. When you have big plant cuttings, what I use is I like to use these IKEA white pots. They have no drainage hole. It can store water with no leakage. I'm gonna put this in here, and this is where it's gonna live for a couple months. And propagating the Monstera Deliciosa in water is a pretty easy thing to do. They will grow significant roots. It'll take about a little over a month to start its rooting system in the water, and then to grow significant roots, you want to leave it in there for a couple more months. You don't have to really change the water often unless it gets like really murky and yucky. I don't really like that myself, so when I see that happening, I'll change the water. And it's just another beautiful masterpiece that it's amazing. That's what I gotta say, it's amazing. I'm just gonna stick this one in there because there's actually enough room for it. If you see in here, I just wrapped that aerial root around. In here, I have the plant tilted so that the part where I cut is not pressed up firmly against a surface because it needs to draw in that water. If you want to tune in to more plant care, hit the subscribe button.